Welcome back to the shop, everybody. Today we are doing Super Clean Challenge. This is for the Stuff with Cleatus channel on YouTube. I'll link that below so you guys can check it out. What I'm going to do is today I'm going to go out and we're going to try cleaning our riding lawnmower and give Super Clean a shot and see how it works. Here's our riding mower that we're going to hit with the Super Clean. It's dirty. I try to clean it off most of the time. As you can see, I definitely didn't clean it off the last time I did it. But give you just a quick look around, just so you can see how dirty it is. It's not that bad. Like I said, I generally try to clean it off. We do have some grease under here, though. You can see down there. I need to get a new starter on here. Got a couple things to do on here, but there's all grease and everything. Like I said, we'll spray it down, try and clean it up, see how good it looks. We are doing it in the dirt, so I'm not probably gonna focus on the wheels themselves too much, but we'll take a look. Let's get it wet and see how much it cleans up. Here, let's look under the seat. All right, we're gonna spray it down with Super Clean. Let it sit for a moment. Not even gonna bother with scrubbing it off right now. All right, we're gonna let that sit for just a minute. We'll let it sit and then we'll come back and spray it off. It's still wet, but we can take a look at it real quick. And I'll show you a picture once it's dry and really see. I mean, I didn't scrub at all. You can see a little bit of dirt down in there in the bottom. I didn't do the outer part of the wheels. I really just focused on the rims. But again, all I did was spray it on and spray it off. That one needs a little bit more work. It's also got rust in there too, but I could hit that with a brush and clean it up. But hey, it's a lawnmower. So you can really see on this side, really degreased really well where I focused on down below with it. You can see the spots that I didn't get that well there around the spark plug. I'll go back and get those, but really did a great job cleaning this up. We'll look over here and then I'll close the hood on there. Again, hard to see because it is wet, but man, it really did degrease a lot of that. All of that grease that was gunk that was on there is all gone. You'll see it better once it's dry, but you can see some in there where I didn't get. But overall, it did a great job on here. Let's flip under the seat here. We'll give it a few minutes to dry and then I'll come back and show you it all cleaned up, dried. Well, here we are. It is mostly dry. Ready for me enough to put away. That's enough. I did go back and redo the wheels. Sprayed him with Super Clean. That one I actually hit with a wet towel, or a dry towel, and wiped it off, and then I hit it with Super Clean again. This one, on the other hand, that was even worse. I did not. I just sprayed some more Super Clean on and sprayed it off. So, you can really see how great that stuff works. Really got the grease out of there. I did not go back and do any of that. Yeah, lawnmower needs to be painted. But hey, let's say it did a good job. Remember to check out stuff with Cleatus Automotive on YouTube. Again, I'll link his account down below. And this is my I Need Super Clean, or the Super Clean Challenge. Close the hood up here. All right, I'd say the stuff did a great job on it. Probably makes me want to clean this thing a whole lot more. So anyways, that'll be the end of this one. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll have some more shop content coming up soon. Again, check out stuff with Cleatus.